Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julia Oliverius, and don't you hate it when you buy an eyeshadow palette and you're like, oh my gosh, I can use all these colors, but then you kind of get into it and you're using it for a while and you realize you're maybe only really using one or two or maybe even three of the colors and you're not really touching the rest of them. It's super frustrating, right? Because you don't want to have to go and buy a whole new palette that's, 40 or 50 or $60 or whatever for just a couple colors. So today I want to show you some cool new palettes that I got in because I think you're really going to like them because they're interchangeable. And you get to choose the colors that go in the palette. So I've got a couple of the palettes myself and a few of the individual colors. So I kind of want to show you how these work. So let me open these up. They're really cool because they're magnetized, so the lids will stay shut, which is awesome. So I'm going to show you this one here. So as you can see, you got 4 colors. These colors I chose myself. I also have a few other colors that are in individual containers so that if I want to pop one of these out, say I'm going out of town or something, want to use something different, you can pop these out. So as you can see, there are little magnets in here, and this is, the top is a magnet too, so that's not going to pop out, which is awesome. And then on the back, you have these little holes. So let me show you how that's going to work. So all you do, I'm going to use my tweezers here. All you're going to do is, you could use a pen, whatever, push this up a little bit. Oops, there we go. See, that lifts right up. Oops. Maybe I should have gotten a pen. There we go. I couldn't pop it out enough. See, that pops right out. It leaves an open hole here for you. And then you can put a new color in, which is really great. So I just love these because I know how frustrating it is to get an eyeshadow palette and really, really like it and then not use all the colors. And then see, pops right back in. Super easy, not going anywhere. So just wanted to pop on real quick, show you this, just some of the stuff that I use that I've really found that I like a lot. So I do keep them in my online store because I know a lot of people have found success with them and are really liking them. So if you have questions about it, let me know. You can check out my online store. It's glamourlashes.net. If you have questions about what colors I have or maybe some of my favorite color combinations, just let me know. Happy to answer those questions for you. And I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.